This is the 285 TL Kronos. As you can see, it costs just over 50,000 euros. It's on a 4 transit base, Euro 6, 7 meters long, 235 wide, 295 high. It weighs with the driver just over 3 tons, 487 kilos of payload. It's quite a lot, really. It's also got an electric bed measuring 190 by 128 centimeters, and we'll see that as we go in. So this is the, oh, so I just said the price, can't remember, just over 50,000 euros, I think I said that. So, seating group here, and what we've got up here, there's the bed. I'll show you the bed here. Now, I don't like beds in the lounge as a general rule, but this one doesn't get in my way. I don't like beds that get in my way, but this one doesn't get in my way, so I'm quite happy to put up with it. And yeah, I'll show you a bit better from up here as well. See, it's got light in the bed. Looking down there, this has got that the popular layout in Germany: 2 single joinable beds. Sorry, yes, 2 single joinable beds, or bed, whatever. It's a bed which is currently divided into 2, but can be joined, whatever. I'm sure you know what I mean. So here we have 3 burners, sink, pretty obvious. Show you some down here. I like the indirect lighting, I think that's great. Deep drawer, would benefit from taller sides, but that's the way it is. Here we have the fridge. Freezer at the bottom, fridge up here. Yeah, I'll show you the fridge. There's the fridge. There, beds, which can be joined. Below, we've got some more storage. Well, there isn't any light in there, that's what we can see. You can see in there? Yeah, it's not too bad, I suppose. The bed will come up as well, so you can get things from above if you want. You want to pull things out. And they're in there as well. And you can hang things up in there. Now, I want to show you in here very nice duckboard, very spacious washroom in here. Look at that, oh, there's space in there. You can put the shower thing out behind if you want, plastic, and look at this, all this space above me. Pretty good, eh? I think that's very good. Lots and lots of space down there. Sink as well, it's very nice. Toilet almost separated down there. Towel rack. Oh, I think for a roller team, that's a particularly nice bathroom. So, got a big garage at the back. Let's have a little walk around. See, I know it's a bit dark now, but it's either walking around and you can't see because of the dark, or doing it earlier and walking around when it's light, but you can't see it because of people running around. So that's the choice. Okay then, so there you have it. Roller Team Kronos 285 TL motorhome. Costs just over 50,000 euros.